Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on a Luxe Bidet review. So I'm going to show you a bidet and it's a simple one to use. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Okay, so this bidet is the one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Neo 185 and it's blue. Nothing too special. I guess we're going to take a preview of the box first so you get an idea how this product is. It has dual wash modes with knob, nozzle guard gate, nozzle clean feature, and also cold water model. So that means there's no hot water in this particular one, and most bathrooms doesn't have an outlet. So if you want warm water, then you might look for a different one. But it's a very simple setup overall. So can't demonstrate it because he's gonna get everything all wet, but you kind of get the idea from the picture, right? So they claim it's the #1 bidet brand in America. Okay, so installation is very easy. You need to remove the seat, of course. Then you can install the wash and enjoy. 1, 2, 3. But there's actually a little bit more to that. You got the knob controls in particular over here, and that's the orientation it has to be at. But setup is pretty easy too. Just drop it in. You take the seat out, put this one in, then put the seat on top. Nozzle guard gate, retractable nozzle, nozzle clean mode. So self-explanatory pretty much on this product. Owner's manual is included if you want to check that out and read it as well. And this is a Neo 185. They made a number of models in particular, and it's not that hard to install. And the cover will open up when you turn it on, of course, but you turn it on, it's going to get all wet unless somebody's over there or something's there in a way. And they also have some diagrams and configurations and parts and such of that. You could check it out. I'm not going to go through each step in these, but you kind of get the idea. So parts list, what's supposed to be included in the package. Of course, you got the T adapter, they call that, circular adjustable plates with rubber gasket. And you also have the cold water bidet hose, Teflon tape wrench, and another wrench. Also, they give some quick facts about the installation and such of that. Pretty much for North American plumbing, that's one this one's going to be used for. And they have a lot of coupon offers, like there's a $5 coupon for this and stuff like that. And there's an ID number located on the unit itself. So setup, it's going to be like that, right? Pretty much. So I'm going to show you the one I have installed. And it's pretty simple. I think it took me like 15 minutes to set up, amazingly, right? But, the toilet connection spring leak, then you have to fix it. So that took some of my time. But all the details to install is self-explanatory, to say the least, and very good instructions, I might say. So this is for pretty much most North American toilets, not for all, I guess. And there's a troubleshooting section, and that's it. And that's what you get in the brochure. So, and next step is to take a look at the installation. All right, what I installed. All right, first of all, you move the toilet seat, of course, and you put this bidet in, and you put the washer on top of that, and you put the screw hose, and that's my Luxe ID number, right? Pardon me, I have to blur that out, I guess. So in this orientation, Neo 185. This is the blue one. Maybe it's the knob is blue. You can put in the comments below if you think it's the knobs that makes it blue. And then these are the different functions: feminine wear and nozzle clean. So those are the functions you have. You actually don't need a wrench to do it. They have these little knobs that you can move around like this over here to the other end. Then you can twist it. Simple as that, right? And the hose is very easy to set up. So the T adapter, they call this over here, right under here. One thing I want to note, once you mess around this, make sure it doesn't leak, because the connection to T and the top over there was leaking. I didn't screw it tight enough. That's what I noticed. And so it was leaking, and I spent some time figuring it out. But once you got it set up, you move the toilet line a little bit lower, see? So basically you may have the T connection. That's all it is. Add in a T connection and connect it to the bidet, and then you have it working. And you will use most of the hardware that came with your toilet seat. We have a cooler, and you can see over here, washer and screw is from the toilet seat, so it came with a unit. And this is how it looks on the bottom. This is the one I have in particular. Yeah, sorry it's not the most clean one, so I didn't prep it up for a video or anything like that, but you know, I always keep everything clean. And you know, that's how it looks like. Make sure it's nice and tight. Yes, the bidet elevates the seat a little bit, so just keep in mind. Hopefully you like this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, or share. Please leave it below, and please remember to subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.